Through all of our years of building roof runoff systems, we have found that the small pop-up holds the least amount of water. This is hugely beneficial when it comes to a clay yard where when the storm is over, you don't have that much water being held in a pop-up emitter. But the problem is the grass grows over a pop-up emitter quickly, and once you lose the ability for your system to daylight, you end up with a flooded basement, a flooded crawl space, a flooded garage, a flooded sunroom. You have to make sure the grass doesn't grow over top of the pop-up emitter. Now, we went to a 9x9 catch basin, then we went to a 12-inch round or 12 by 12 square so the grass wouldn't grow over them, but they just hold too much water. And this is a problem in the north because they can freeze solid full of ice. So we now have a turf restrictor plate that we put on the 90, and then we go ahead and put the pop-up flow gate top on after that. This prevents the grass from growing over top of where your system daylights. It's easy to weed whip around the turf restrictor plate. Now, if you watch this video for a second time, I want you to pay attention to how there was 3 feet of yellow knife cut put on to our high octane solid corrugated pipe. That is so when the storm is over, the very little bit of water that's in this system will drain out.